Okay, it's going to be another logic vocab video. This one is going to be a lot of vocab, so I'm going to go at it quickly. Logically equivalent has the same truth value. Two formulas or more formulas that have the same truth value always, no matter what truth value the atomic sentences, the parts of that sentence get. The logical truth is always true, contradiction is always false, and then the contingent statement is sometimes true and sometimes false. Jointly tautologically consistent is the same as jointly consistent, except it only considers truth tables of TFL. So quick refresher, jointly consistent is a statement that multiple sentences that can be true at the same time. So they're not always true at the same time, but they can be true at the same time. And then jointly tautologically consistent is just that, but only for TFL. So not for FOL, for example. And then the final ones are bound versus free. So what is bound? Bound is basically a variable is bound when it matches a quantifier and is within the scope of that quantifier, if that makes sense. So for example, universal x L hyphen L x equals then the x is the bound variable. But for example, if I did universal x parentheses Lx conjunction Vm, then the m is a free variable because it is not. It is in the scope of the quantifier, but it doesn't match the quantifier. It isn't like the variable that is connected to the quantifier. So it's not bound, which makes it free. Yeah, that's all the vocab I wanted to discuss. Bye.